Welcome back to Innovin Foods. Today I am sharing a restaurant-style chili garlic chicken chow mein recipe that's full of flavor, spice and freshness. Soak 3 to 4 dry chilies in water for 10 minutes. Chow mein means stir-fried noodles in Chinese. It becomes popular in India with unique spicy flavors. Pour in a blender. Add 2 tablespoons water. Now add 6 to 7 cloves of garlic and blend into a smooth paste. Boil water with 1 teaspoon oil. Add 150 gram noodles. Street-style chow mein often uses high heat to give smoky taste. It's one of the most ordered takeout dishes worldwide. And cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Don't overcook the noodle, they should be slightly firm. Drain and wash with water and keep aside. Heat 2 tablespoons oil. Add 1 teaspoon garlic, 1 teaspoon ginger, 1 tablespoon green onion, and 2 green chilies. Saute well. Add 1 cup chicken pieces. And cook for 1 minute. Now add 2 to 3 tablespoons of the blended chili garlic paste. Stir fry on high heat to lock in flavor. Half teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder and stir. Add 3 tablespoon carrot, 3 tablespoon green capsicum, 3 tablespoon red capsicum, half teaspoon pepper powder, and half teaspoon salt. Use colorful veggies for taste and appeal. Toss in the boiled noodles. One teaspoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon vinegar. Add sauces gradually to balance spice and tang. Mix well. And cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Sprinkle more salt if needed. Chicken adds lean protein to your meal. Capsicum and carrots are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. Delicious chicken chow mein is ready. Garlic and chili help boost immunity. Using less oil makes it healthier for the whole family. This chili garlic chicken chow mein is spicy, colorful, and absolutely delicious. Try it at home and tell us how it turned out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Innovin Foods for more amazing recipes.